Welcome to YouTube channel. Myself Dr. E. Komraya, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sri Rajarajeshwara Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Today I am going to solve the system of ordinary differential equations using the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix. That is application to system of differential equations using the matrices, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. In the earlier class we already discussed about a method of fundamental matrix and method of variation of parameters to solve the system of ordinary differential equations. Today class I am going to explain the method of undetermined coefficient to solve the system of ordinary differential equations by using eigenvalues and eigenvectors method. Now let us consider the system x dash plus 6x plus y plus 6t and y dash is equals to 4x plus 3y minus 10t plus 4, and solve this system by using the variation of parameters. Method of undetermined coefficients. Now this system can be put in the form of x dash y dash is equals to 6 1 4 3 into xy column vector plus 6 and minus 10 t coefficient plus constant. The first equation it is 0, in the second equation it is 4, 0 4, that is x dash is equals to ax plus g of t plus u. Here x dash is given by small x dash, capital O, small y dash, and A is a 2 by 2 matrix, coefficient matrix 6 1 4 3, and g of t is 6 minus 10 into t, and u is nothing but 0 comma 4. There is no e power t, this is not there, no e power t, only 0 comma 4, and x is the solution vector xy. X is the solution vector xy. Now first we can find the solution to the homogeneous part, that is x dash equals to ax. For that first we can determine the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of coefficient matrix A. The eigenvalues of A are given by determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0, which gives the polynomial lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 14 equal to 0. By factorize this we will get lambda equals to 2 comma 7. Now for lambda equals to 2, the eigenvectors are given by a minus, by solving a minus 2i into x equal to 0. Here a is 6 1 4 3, a is 6 1 4 3, 6 minus 2 4, 6 1 4 3, 4 1 into xy equal to 0 and 0. This is the system. Here it is 0 and here it is 0. The 4x plus y equal to 0. 4x plus y equal to 0. Y is equals to minus 4x, or x is equals to minus 1. Y is 4, x is minus 1. That's why eigenvector is minus 1 comma 4. Y is minus y is 4x, or y is minus 4x. If x is minus 1, that is eigenvector is minus 1 comma 4. This is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to 4. Now for lambda equal to 7, for lambda equals to 7, it will become 6 minus 7, 1, 1, 4, 3 minus 7, minus 4 into x, y equal to 0 and 0. This implies minus x plus y equals 0, x equals to y. That's why this one, 1, 1, 2, 2, like that. 1 comma 1 is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda equals to 2. Now, after getting the eigenvalues and eigenvector, we can write the complementary solution to the given system, which is given by xc equals to c xc equals to c1 e power 2x v, first eigenvector, minus 1 comma 4, c2 e power 70 1 comma 1. By adding these two vectors, minus c1 e power 2t, it is not minus 2t, it is plus 2t. Sorry, you know this one. This one, this is plus 2t, not minus 2t, it is plus 2t. Minus c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power 70 plus c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power 70. This is the complementary solution corresponding to the given problem. Now we can apply the method of undetermined coefficient to find the particular solution. Here the right hand side term is some vector into t plus constant. That's why function of t, it is a function of t. That's why we can take a into t plus constant. It's the same as ordinary differential equations to solve the variation of parameters. There at plus b we can take particular solution. Here a and b are vectors. That's why the vector p comma q into t and a constant vector r comma s is the particular solution to the given system by using the method of undetermined coefficients. Now xp is pq into t plus r comma s. Now put this, substitute this x value solution into the given equation. X dash equals to ax plus g of t plus constant vector, this one. Here x dash, if you are taking derivative of this one, t derivative is 1, that's why p comma q, and r comma s is constant, so its derivative is 0, p comma q, pq plus 0, it is not necessary, and left hand side is only pq, t derivative is 1, and right side a into x, this is the x, pq into t plus rs plus g of t plus constant vector. Now simplifying this, pq is equals to 6143 pq of t plus rt, this one, earlier step this one. Now multiply this matrix with these vectors, this matrix into this vector and this vector, two vectors. Now if you multiply with this one, this vector 6p 1q into t is there, same t term here, 6t also is there by adding, plus 6t, and same vector multiply with rs, 6r plus s, 6r plus s plus 0 constant terms, and 4p plus 3q into t, again t term is minus 10t plus 4r plus 3s plus 4. This is the resultant vector form of these multiplications. After this simplification, 6p plus q plus 6 into t plus 6r plus s plus 0, and another component is 4p plus 3q minus 10t plus 4r plus 3s plus 4 equal to 0. Now you take this p comma q to right hand side, it will become, left side will become 0 0 and minus p here and minus q, it is minus p and it is minus q. That's why now equating both sides, this first one is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, linear equation in t, this will be equal to 0 means 6p plus q plus 6 equal to 0 sorry, 6r plus s minus p equal to 0, these two are zeros. And next 4p plus 3q minus 10 equal to 0, 4r plus 3s minus q equal to 4 equal to 0, actually 4 coming to that side, that's why it is minus 4, sorry, it is minus 4, it is minus 4. These are the system of equations. By solving these equations, we will get p comma q comma r comma s. First we can solve these two equations, this one and this one. These are equations in p and q itself only. Multiply this with 3, multiply this with 3 and subtract from this, 3q will be cancelled, 12 8p, we are multiplying this with 3, 18, 18p, 18 minus 4, 14p, sorry, it is 14p. If you multiply this with 3, if you multiply this with 3, 18 and subtract from this, it is what is left here, 14p, where 18p plus 28p plus 28 equal to 0, that implies p equals to minus 2. It is p is minus 2, and if p is minus 2, it will be p minus 12, it will become minus 12, minus 12 plus 6 minus 6, q equal to 6. P is minus 2 and q equal to 6. P is minus 2 here, this will become 6r plus s is equals to minus 2 and q is 6, it will become 4r plus 3s equals to 10. Now by solving these two, and by solving another two equations for r and s, we will get r is equals to minus 2, q is equals to 6, r is equals to minus 4 cos 4 by 7, s is equals to 10 by 7. Now substitute all these values in the particular solution, we get the particular solution is, this one is the particular solution, sorry, minus 2 comma 6 into t minus 4 by 7, 10 by 7 is the particular solution. Now the complete solution is given by xc plus xd. xc is c1 e power 2t minus 1 comma 4, c2 e power 7t 1 comma 1 plus minus 2 comma 6 into t plus minus 4 by 7, 10 by 7. This is the complete solution of the problem. Now according to method of undetermined coefficient, we can choose the particular solution. Here the right hand side term is function of t, some vector into function of t and constants, that's why some vector, constant vector a t, a bar t plus b bar, we can take the particular solution. Here it is, the particular solution is, this is a bar, some vector a bar, this one is some vector a bar, this one is some vector b bar, constant vector, this is a bar into t. Like that we can choose the particular solution. Whenever this term not t e power t, we can take the e power t derivatives are e power t only, that's why here it is p, this vector into e power t will be here. And if it is trigonometry function sin t or cos t, then some vector a bar into cos t plus some vector b bar into sin t, and constant term will be come as usually. Like that, same as method of undetermined coefficient in the ordinary differential equation, we can choose here also the particular solution, but here the coefficients are vectors, vector form. Coefficients are in the vector form, p comma q, p q, r s, like that. And there in the ordinary differential equations they are constant, a cos t plus b sin t. If it is t square, a t square plus b t plus c. If it is e power t, e power a into e power t. If it is t square e power t, take all derivatives, t square e power t, t e power t, e power t, a t square e power t, b t e power t plus c e power t. Like that we can choose the coefficients, solution to the equation as a particular solution. The same way we can choose and substitute in the given equation and solve it for the unknown vectors, and finally we will reach the solution. This is the method of undetermined coefficient method to solve the linear system of equations. Tomorrow we will discuss another method. Thank you one and all.